Hi echo3D community, Megan here to share with you a new echo3D feature. This new feature is for duplicate entries. The console will now be able to detect duplicate entries within the same project during the upload process in order to prevent accidental uploads. So let's try this new feature out. Let's say, for example, I need another one of these chair models in this project. So I'm going to download it and then upload it back into the console. However, because it's a duplicate model, it will prompt this message saying, "Are you sure you would like to upload this file again?" Then from there, I can cancel or confirm. This new duplicate feature will also help save credit expenditure on storage when a duplicate entry is desired. Meaning, if you choose to upload a duplicate, you won't pay for more storage credits, but it will count towards your API calls. To get access to this new feature and more, sign up for a 7-day free trial today at echo3d.com.